Mr. Knuckles?
Yes?
I just wondered if I could have a quick word about the food.
Send a medic to the canteen.
It's very gritty. And as for the bread... Need I say more? I know we're working to a tight budget, but we could at least add some sauce. Don't worry, I know what gets ketchup stains out. No. That's just made it worse.
Forget the medic. Better send a priest.
You listen to me, you little maggot. Nobody squirts condiments on my apron.
Got it.
And nobody bonks me on the head with a baguette.
No bonking.
What is this?
It's a marmalade sandwich.
You can make this?
Well, yes.
This bear is now under my protection.